It's an interesting thing, falling. Well, let me tell you what I did. I was carrying plywood, or OSB, up the side of the roof here, and I put down a sheet, and before it was nailed, I stepped on it, which instantly slid out from under me, and I landed on the sheet, and off the roof we went. Cut up both legs. I had some pretty good scratch bruising on my forearm, stomach, legs. Both my legs were kind of cut up, I think, from nail heads on my way down. I had a pocket full of nails and those sheathing clips, which resulted in a pretty good bruise on my thigh. All minor injuries, but it kind of worried me being on this roof. I mean, I wasn't afraid of being on the roof. What it really was just I didn't want to fall again, because that wasn't fun. So that's when we decided the roof, or the rope and ramp option, to hoist the plywood up there, because I didn't want to do any more carrying of anything up the roof. Every morning I woke up and told myself, okay, I'm just gonna suck it up and do it. I'd go up there and I would do one sheet, and then I'd be like, well, that's it for the day. Once we started hoisting them up with the ropes, I didn't have to do any carrying of heavy items on the roof. I was fine being up there. The other thing too is, afterwards, I didn't want to do anything kind of odd or dumb. I didn't want to put a ladder on top of my racking to get up there to get the high points, which is why we never finished the end walls and couldn't put the remaining OSB on the sidewall. I don't know, just not safe feeling. So, rented this lift for the day, which should be able to get up there with me and the plywood and be able to install anything without having to do anything on the on ladders, or any real heavy lifting up a ladder either. I don't know, I think it was a good idea. Would have had to buy an extension ladder anyway, which I would only use to do the side peak. The cost is about the same, so I think this was a way to do it. You want to go high? Baby, you want to go high? Yeah. Wait for Daddy. Okay, you ready? You're down. Was that fun? Hold on, Daddy, stop. Baby wants down? Did you like the crane truck? Yeah, it's a beep. Yeah, that's a wheel. go forward and come back this way. Why? To put yourself further away from the wall so you can spin it. Okay, come on back. That's good. What I planned. Ready? Yep. Perfect. That's it? Yep. Okay, now, because you're a little bit further away from the building, you should be able to spin the basket around to right up tight. Yeah. Almost. No, you're good. Not almost, perfect. That should do it, huh? Yeah, I can even get the other side now. Yeah. Where are you going? Get the other side. Oh. Then we want to come back to it. All right. We'll have to do it later. You know what I mean? Yeah. Here's the hammer. Or you got it. No, I got a hammer. That second one there, right? Yeah. Or this one and that one? No, this one. Just that one. Yeah, there you go. Did I put you in a good place or what? Yep, I say. Not so good. Is it level? You want the clamp? What level? Is it flush at the top? I'm going to try that. Yeah, that's good. All right. This thing is the greatest thing ever. I mean, yeah, it's loud and annoying. But wow, did that make life easy, huh? Yeah, when I rented it, I asked him, like, do I need to take the tow vehicle off? Actually, I said, do I need to detach it from the truck? Anyway, he said, oh yeah. I'm sure there's a reason why you're supposed to. I just couldn't figure it out. Maybe it's so it doesn't have to lift the vehicle up. I mean, it did on the Ranger. Just took all the weight off the suspension. It was fine. So, I don't know. Yeah, doing the roof there, the peak, fascia, everything. That would have sucked with ladders. So much better with that lift. Worth every dime. By the way, it's $300. $309 after tax. Well, time to go relax. See you all next video.